And welcome to Target Language Services Teaching Tips. Today we're going to talk about warmers. Now, what is a warmer? A warmer is a first activity that you do when you start your class. The warmer should really ideally be an activity that, as the name says, warms up the students' linguistic muscles, so to speak, because they may not have spoken English for maybe more than 48 hours. So they need to have an activity where they can calmly get into speaking English again. So this activity shouldn't be too complex, and this activity shouldn't be one either where they have to sit and write on their own, because it should be something upbeat, something more dynamic. So preferably it should be an interactive activity, where students talk to each other. Now, it would also be good if that activity had another purpose. It could be that it revises something they've studied, or it could be that it diagnoses their knowledge of what you're going to teach them. Or it could just be a way of introducing a topic, the topic of your lesson. It could be the topic of the text they're going to read or what they're going to listen to. But what is a warmer and what is not a warmer? If you go in as a teacher and you show a picture and you ask your students questions related to the topic of the class, is that a warmer? Well, to me it's not. To me it's a lead-in, because for it to be a real warmer, you should be able to hand over to your students, let them do the talking. It shouldn't be you having a conversation with your students, it should be your students talking to each other. The warmer also allows students to come in late and not missing the main part of the lesson, maybe the clarification of language or the pre-teaching of vocabulary for a reading. But if the warmers are normally fun and dynamic, the students are also going to get a feeling that they missed something by not coming for the warmer, so it might encourage them to be on time. But most importantly, hand over to your students. When you do that, from the beginning of the class, you're sending a very clear signal, and that is, I'm not doing the work. You are doing the work, and that might help your pace and the dynamics of the rest of the class. I hope you enjoyed this talk. You can find us on our YouTube channel, Target Language. Thank you. Bye-bye.